Look. Look, Bobiq. Chole. And there's Chole over there. There's Chole. And there's Bobiq down here. Yeah, Bobiq. Yeah, that's Bobiq. That's Bobiq. Yeah, Bobiq and Chole are Cavapoo dogs. Cavapoos. Yeah, they're Cavapoos. And I believe Chole, or I think Bobiq is 7 if I can remember. And I think Chole is 5. That's Chole over there. That's Chole. And there's Bobiq. And they're just waiting for their dad to get home here. They think that they heard a car door slam outside, so I think they think it might be their dad that's home, Chole and Bobiq. There's Chole there, and there's Bobiq. Bobiq, Bobiq, do you want a treat? There you go, Bobiq. Yeah, Bobiq's eating his treat here. And Chole. Yeah, Chole, do you want to? We'll get you a treat over here. There's Chloe's treat. Chole was laying over here. There you go, Chole. There you go. There you go, Chole. There you go. There's Chloe's treats down there. Chole. See, there's Chole. See, there you are, Chole. There you are. That's Chole. Yeah, Chloe's a Cavapoo. Yeah, Chole is a Cavapoo. Yeah. Yeah, Chole is a Cavapoo. And there's Bobiq. Yeah, it's Bobiq. Yeah, that's Bobiq. I'm going to have you on TV, Bobiq. And we'll get another, those are Chole and Bobiq's treats over here. So, there you go, Bobiq. There's another treat for you there. That's good. That's good. That's good. And then Chole, I think Chloe's tired, but hey, Chole, there you go. Yeah, Chole, good. Chole, good. Yeah, Chole, good. Yeah, Chole, good girl. That's Bobiq. That's Bobiq. Bobiq. Yeah. And there's Chole over there. If I back up here a little bit, I'll be able to get Chole and Bobiq both in the picture. There we are. Yeah, there's Chole and Bobiq. Yeah, Chole and Bobiq. Chole looks like she's tired. Yeah, Chole and Bobiq. And that concludes the YouTube video for now.